Hello everyone, I'm Lenny from ANTSLIT. Today, I'd like to show you a typical case of our LED bubble replace the explosion-proof lamp HID. This explosion-proof lamp is from our plant. It is widely used in various spatial environments areas, like oil extraction, oil refining, chemical plants, shipping, and so on. This HID bubble is 250 watt, and it can provide 12,000 lumens. The customer complains that they have to replace the HID bubble every few months. And such high power generates a lot of heat, making it more difficult for workers to work in these spatial areas. And also it wastes too much energy. The customer told us that because the spatial explosion-proof requirements and certifications, we have to keep the traditional fixture, but with LED lighting. Meanwhile, it needs the same brightness, less heat dissipation, longer lifespan, and energy saving. How can we fix it? Just follow 3 steps. Number 1, we can figure out that our 80 watt LED bubble can be replaced the HID 250 watt, and the size is similar. Number 2, because our LED bubbles integrate LED drivers, it is AC 90 to 277 voltage input, and it with 6 kV sugar potential. So we have to remove the glass inside the explosion-proof lamp. Number 3, just install our LED bubble in it. Very easy. It is a perfect retrofit solution. Let's see the final effect of the lamp. If you have any HID retrofit projects, contact me. I will give you the best solutions. See you next time.